Hazrat Anas bin Malik radiyallahu anhu reports, when Allah Jalla Jalaluhu bestowed His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam the property of Hawazin as fay, and he sallallahu alaihi wasallam favored some men of the Quraysh with even up to 100 camels each. Some people of Ansar at this attitude of Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu pardon His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, who enriches the Quraysh and ignores us, whereas the blood of the infidels is still dripping from our swords." Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, someone notified Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam of it. So he sallallahu alaihi wasallam summoned the Ansar and gathered them in a leather tent and did not call anybody else along with them. When they had gathered, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam went to them and said, "Is it a good thing which you have conveyed to me?" The intellectuals amongst them said, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, the sage amongst us did not utter even a single word, but the people of tender age amongst us have said, May Allah Jalla Jalaluhu pardon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. He enriches the Quraysh but ignores the Ansar, whereas the blood of the infidels is dribbling from our swords." Thereupon Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "The pre-Islamic period of those people whom I grant is not still extremely far. Aren't you pleased that the other people should go with fortune, while you may take Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam to your houses? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, with what you return to your houses is better than what they return with." All Ansar replied, "O Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, why not? We are definitely pleased with it." Afterwards, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "After me, you will see that the other people will be preferred to you, but be patient till you meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam at Kausar pond." Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu says, but they could not express patience after him. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 3147.